The sky looks angry.
That's not just rain, that's a big storm.
What if the village gets soaked? My cookie stash. My cookie stash.
We need a plan, fast. Plan, don't fly away.
Chirp! The wind is too strong. Get down here, we'll keep you safe. Everyone's running inside.
But the hill trees are still full of nests.
Hey, this storm is wild.
So is my heart right now. The nests up there will be in trouble first. Then that's where we go. My paws are slipping. Don't stop. Run low, like this.
Chirp, this way.
Stick close, little bird. They're going to fall.
Chirp, we have to do something. We brace the trees.
Brace? Like a big hug for trunks? Ugh, it's pushing back. Push harder. It's like wrestling the wind.
Chirp, chirp.
Higher branch, less shaking, good call.
That was so bright.
Don't look at the sky. Look at each other.
If the mud slides, we slide.
Bad news. I'm round and rolly. We moved the nests there. It's more sheltered.
Nest moving mission accepted.
Don't worry, little eggs. We've got you.
Chirp and gentle, gentle.
Okay, no slipping, no sneezing. Chew, no.
Pass them to me. I'll place them in the safest spot.
One more! Tie it tight! Storm can't take these now.
You saved me.
I'm not letting a storm steal my friend.
Chirp!
Hey, Sky Hat.
We did what we could here. Now we warn the village about the floodwater. 2 big problems, 1 big team. I didn't mean to learn mud surfing. You're a natural. Lean left.
The water's coming up fast.
Move, move, move! Come on, Paws, don't fail me now.
Chirp! 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 Storm warning!
You 3 look like wind-blown leaves.
Good news, the nests are safe. Bad news, we're soggy. We guide everyone to higher ground here and here. Smart plan, little scholar.
Stay close, everyone!
Watch your paws on the mud.
Chirp, chirp!
Just follow her song.
I really don't like that sound.
I don't either, but I like that you're here.
Whoa! Gotcha!
We're all staying on our feet. No one left behind.
This storm is huge! But our friendship is bigger and muddier.
Cozy cave, incoming.
Careful, watch your heads on the rocks. Hey! Storm on the inside too?
At least this one smells like bear.
Chirp!
We'll wait it out together. No one's alone.
Chirp!
I was so mad at you last week for eating my cookies. I was mad that you yelled at me in front of everyone.
But today, I'm just glad you grabbed my scarf.
And I'm glad you didn't let go of my paw.
New rule. Cookies can be replaced. Friends can't. Chirp!
Yeah, I'm glad you're okay too.
Is it getting quieter?
Storms always end.
Good thing friendships don't.
Whoa, everything's shiny.
The forest washed its face.
Chirp!
Look! They made it through.
The river is calming.
Thanks, Darzel King.
Thanks to everyone moving fast. We both got scared out there. Yeah. But we got scared together. Hey, puddle attack!
Officially, that's called a splash landing.
Next time a storm comes, we'll know exactly where to go. And who to hold on to.
Sorry for the cookie thing. Sorry for yelling.
Big storm, bigger sorry.
Friends again?
Bigger friends than before.
Chirp!
Group hug accepted.
Storms test the trees and show which roots grow together.
Look, a rainbow!
Perfect bridge between storm and sunshine.
Just like us.
Big storm, bigger friendship, and more adventures to come together. Chirp!